Today we are going to talk about Parliament. There are three parts of Parliament: Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and President. This is also mentioned in Article 79 of our Indian Constitution. So, today we are going to look at Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha is also known as Lower House or House of Pupils. Lok Sabha has direct elections in which public votes are put on the basis of universal adult franchisees, and MPs are elected. Lok Sabha has total seats of 552, and present seats are of 543. These elections are also called general elections, and they are held every 5 years. Out of these 543 seats, the party that wins more than 272 seats or more than that party comes in the majority and makes the central government. If we talk about the tenure of Lok Sabha, then it is of 5 years. And if we look at the eligibility to participate in the elections in Lok Sabha, then the first should be an Indian citizen, the second should be of 25 years of age, and the third should be registered voters. As far as General Election 2024 is concerned, these were the 18th Lok Sabha elections, which will take place from 19th April to 1st June in 4 phases, and its result will be declared on 4th June. If you found this video informative, then do follow Read, Recall, Revise for such upcoming videos.